In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Magic Utilities program on your Windows 10 computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get Magic Utilities, you need to go ahead and open any browser and then just search for Magic Utilities. And if you click on enter, you can see we have our Magic Utilities.net website here. Go ahead and click on it. From here, to get this program, you can see we have for various types. For instance, we have for Windows desktop here, we have 32 and 64 bits, and the available one is for 32 bits. You can go ahead and click directly from here, or you can go to free trial here and click on free trial. Now this will open Magic Utilities setup. You can go ahead and download the setup file directly from here. So if you click on this, it will go ahead and begin the download. You can see the download is on now here. You have to note this is suitable for Windows 10 and Windows 11 64-bit systems. Currently, this is the latest version that I'm downloading. Now you can see the file has already been downloaded. Go ahead and click on show folder, and this will open the file where it was saved or stored. Mine is under downloads. Now to install it, we need to run this setup wizard. Go ahead and double click on it and click on yes to launch the wizard. And here, choose your language. I'll leave it to English United States and click on OK. And you're told this will install Magic Utilities, this version on your computer. And you have to note that Magic Utilities devices might not work properly while installing. Go ahead and click on next and then agree to terms and conditions here, and then accept terms and click on next. Here you need to select the components you want to install, so you can either choose keyboard, mouse, as well as Magic Trackpad Utilities, and click on next. And you'll need to have at least 132 MBs of space on your disk for this to be installed. Finally, the installation is on here, and now you can see we have the shortcuts created while the installation is on the tail end. And finally, the drivers will be installed to complete the process. And now click on finish to complete the process. So that's how you can install Magic Utilities on your Windows computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.